saktamga manaba chahi billion tarani thoi dasmik taruk mamangi galaxy Singgi cluster ma astrophysicist Dr. Ronaldo Laishram na thizin humjinduna puthoklaga Loktak Protocluster Haina Maming Thonkhre. Dr. Ronaldo Laishram Thobal district ki Khangaboktagini mahak National Astronomical Observatory of Japan the research scholar amoina leibani. Hiramasigi matang dang asi Manipur Astronomical Society na sinduna Manipur Press Club tapang thok papawgi mi famamada Dr. Ronaldo na hai riba galaxies cluster Loktak Protocluster asigi matang da Astrophysical Journal letters da publish tawkre. Lamdam asigi Loktak pat ki saktam ga manaba Loktak Protocluster asina astrophysics ki lamda leiriba miyoi signa thizin humjin batawrakpada Loktak Protocluster asi thengnaduna lamdam asigi ching pat turel amadi jiba panba sing asigi su cosmic structure gi puwari da mafam lei takpa utpani amadi madugi chawthokchaba aduni haike Manipur Astronomical Society asi astronomy amadi astrophysics ki subject ta pamjaba mahiroi sing amadi researcher sing punsilaga tungi mirol da lakadaba mahiroi singi mathau taba mahi amadi lairik sing piba ngamna bkhona bani haina su phongdoke
Loktak Protocluster ki uniqueness this is the first of a kind. I'm going to understand the number. Yang ngalingay matam university phone to matam da to matam da to ba surrounding ki interaction ne mara moragal galaxy ki shape hai kare my properties in sense on na me hai ki one of the first discovery of the electric discoveries na city the whole pa manga countryside of village and la pa na khene my properties my way of living style similarly galaxy so my surrounding interaction to over the galaxy ka dek matam the galaxy ka my properties the khene na hana khangam da ba usagama to over the khangam da se koi research na koi khangam na me this is a very uniqueness of this work.